guys, this is Janice. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a fabulous week this week. Even though we're living through some tumultuous times at this point, God is still in control. Remember that, guys. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I keep myself consistent with exercise by tapping into my faith. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can comment below with any questions that you have, and let's get into the video. Working out since December of 2013. At that time, I weighed 250 pounds, which is my highest weight, and I was in a pre-hypertension state. I had went to the doctor, got a checkup, my blood pressure was elevated, and she cautioned me. She said, if you don't get this under control, I'm gonna end up putting you on high blood pressure medications. So I knew at that point in time, I really needed to change my life. So I made the decision to join a local gym to start working out. And so here's a picture of me and my daughter during the first week that I started to work out, going to the gym. You can see I was smiling because I was excited and still happy about it as well. Now, over the years, I've been consistently inconsistent. So what does that look like? Consistently inconsistent for me? It looks like this: 2 to 3 months of good workout, 1 to 2 months of falling off. And don't tell me about daylight savings time in the fall. With the shortening of the hours where you're waking up in the dark and you're virtually going to bed or coming home from work in the dark, there's something about that period of time that really bogs me down, and I do not demonstrate enough consistency during that period of time. Now, don't get me wrong, even in this time of inconsistent behavior in regards to weight loss, I've still lost weight, I've still got stronger, and I've still made improvement in my health. And back to 2013 to now 2020, I am not on any blood pressure medicine, and my blood pressure is normal. So anything that you do as far as making your life consistent with exercise will benefit you in the long run. Now, but what I know that has happened with me over the years that has helped me to be consistent is I've become more aware of what it takes to get me going, right? I know how to reduce now the number of times and those episodes that have occurred over the years where I stop exercising and take like the fall off. So those don't occur as much anymore. I may have like 1 or 2 weeks where I may fall off, or a week where I fall off, but there's not months and months at a time, because I've learned how to, like I said at the beginning, how to tap into my faith to really help strengthen how I approach exercise and my health. Now, another benefit most recently has been that I have had a home gym, but that doesn't guarantee that I will get up out of the bed in the morning and actually go into my garage. Just like the circumstances that I had when I was driving to the gym in the morning, it doesn't guarantee, because it's a proximity, that I'll actually go and work out. It still takes resolve and a little bit more to get yourself motivated to do any exercise. So let's get to the point of this video, which has been the biggest change that I've seen that has driven my consistency to working out regularly. And that has been utilizing my faith and how I approach my workouts. What I've done is I've elevated the meaning of my workouts, and I view them as an opportunity for me to strengthen my connection with Christ. Here are the steps that I've taken to do this. And I've talked about this before. Be mindset ready. This is the hardest part, is the mindset stuff. And so you've got to be well equipped to overcome mindset obstacles. Now what I have done is I have a key scripture that I've remembered that I use at the start of my workout and during my workout. And for you, you can use a scripture or quote. Just make sure that it's powerful and meaningful for you, and it reminds you of your commitment to yourself to make yourself healthier and strong. The scripture that I use is a part of 1 Samuel 16:1, which is fill your horn with oil and go. Now what that means to me and reminds me of is that I'm working on the betterment of myself, and that requires action. I love that scripture because it describes action, and it describes how God is giving that commandment to Samuel to don't look back, don't regret, just trust in me, and I will continue to move you forward as long as you continue to move. And so that's what I like about that scripture. So make sure you find something that's meaningful for you that you can easily remember, easily repeat, and tap into what that meaning means for you as far as your betterment of your health. Number 2, be present. Oftentimes we're rushing to work out. We're rushing to everything basically in our lives. But take some time to be present in the moment. And what I mean by that is a lot of times you're thinking about when you start your workout, like, let me get my playlist together, let me get my headset in, let me check the TV and make sure the TV's on the channel that I want it to be on while I'm working out. Or if I have a partner, I'm getting there with her. We're talking about different things and just being really chatty. What I'm talking about being present is take the time to invite the Spirit into your workout. Like, start with a prayer. And if you have a coach that's supporting you or a workout partner, ask them to pray with you. And it's important to pray because you need God's strength to be able to make it through your workout. So you're going to pray for His strength. You're going to pray for courage to try new things, to strengthen your body in different ways. You're going to pray for Him to help you make it through the hard points and when it becomes uncomfortable, because that's what exercise is about. It's about being uncomfortable at times. And you're going to pray for protection as well. Like, I don't want any injuries while I'm doing this, Jesus. So be with me as I work out and help me stay healthy and strong as well. And number 3 is exercise in the moment. I like to lift weights, and so I'm concentrating on lifting weights and I'm concentrating on the movement, but I'm also using that opportunity to concentrate on the connection I have with Christ and think about how wonderful this body is that God has provided us to be able to move and lift 30 pounds of weights or 50 pounds of weights or more. You know, all the things that I'm able to do because of what the Spirit has been able to provide me, the gift of life. And so I always try to make sure that I'm connecting with Him even in those times of movement. And it just continues to inspire me. As I think about the exercises and the things that I'm doing, it inspires me to run a little bit harder, to walk a little bit farther. It inspires me to breathe a little bit deeper as well in my exercise. So I'm just doing more. And number 4, the very last thing, is end in prayer. Thank Him for a great workout. Thank Him for being with you every step of the way. Thank Him for the coach that's working with you and helping you to learn new things about your body. Thanking Him for your strength that you've demonstrated through your workout. Thank Him for the sweat and the stinkiness that you have after you finish working out. Thank Him for all of those things that He's been able to do for you. Thank Him for allowing you to finish. Thanking Him for the next opportunity for the next day. So that's my approach to being consistent. It's been working for me as far as tapping into my faith to be more consistent with my exercises. It has sustained me. It's helped me to get past the bad spots and be more consistent. I feel inspired when I finish working out each day. And to be honest with you, I finished working out about an hour ago, and then I got dressed and came in here and started to do this filming. And so that's why I'm keyed up, honey. Keyed up because I feel amazing and I feel great. And it's helped me to be more focused on working out every day and eliminating the obstacles and the blockers and definitely all the excuses that can hold me back. So I'm inspired to work out every day, try new exercise, and to get up and move. And it's become a method or a form of worship for me. And who doesn't like to worship? All right. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've shared something that helps you to figure out how you tap into the Spirit so you can be more consistent with your exercising. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment on what you thought about this video below. And for you guys, have a blessed day.